Best Luxury Convertibles for 2024 Chevrolet Corvette. As the luxury convertible market heats up for 2024, the 2024 Chevrolet Corvette Convertible is making waves with its blend of high performance, sleek design, and cutting-edge technology. Renowned for its legacy of speed and style, the latest Corvette is solidifying its position as a top choice for luxury convertible enthusiasts. Under the hood, the 2024 Chevrolet Corvette Convertible boasts a naturally aspirated 6.2-liter V8 engine, delivering a thrilling 495 horsepower and 470 lb-ft of torque. This powerhouse is paired with an 8-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, ensuring seamless and rapid gear changes. The Corvette's mid-engine layout enhances balance and handling, offering a driving experience akin to that of a high-end sports car. With a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just 2.9 seconds, the 2024 Corvette provides exhilarating acceleration that is sure to impress even the most discerning drivers. Performance and handling are cornerstones of the Corvette's appeal. The car's advanced suspension system, including magnetic ride control, adapts in real time to road conditions, providing a smooth yet dynamic ride. The electronically controlled limited-slip differential ensures optimal traction and stability, whether cruising along a coastal highway or navigating sharp curves. The Corvette's precise steering and robust braking system further enhance its performance credentials, making it a joy to drive. Design-wise, the 2024 Chevrolet Corvette Convertible is a head-turner. Its bold, aerodynamic lines, aggressive stance, and distinctive front fascia give it an unmistakable presence. The retractable hardtop, which can be lowered in just 16 seconds at speeds up to 30 miles per hour, allows drivers to enjoy the open air at their convenience. The convertible's design ensures minimal cabin turbulence, providing a comfortable open-air experience. Inside, the cabin is a blend of luxury and sportiness, featuring premium materials, advanced technology, and a driver-focused layout. The customizable digital instrument cluster and high-quality leather seats enhance the overall sense of luxury. The 2024 Corvette Convertible is also packed with state-of-the-art technology. The Chevrolet Infotainment 3 system includes an 8-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration, ensuring seamless connectivity. The available Bose Performance Series sound system delivers exceptional audio quality. Safety features such as forward collision alert, rear cross-traffic alert, and a head-up display provide added peace of mind, making the Corvette both a thrilling and secure choice. While the Chevrolet Corvette Convertible stands out, it faces competition from other luxury convertibles like the Porsche 911 Cabriolet, BMW 8 Series Convertible, and Mercedes-Benz SL Class. The Porsche 911 is celebrated for its precision engineering and iconic design, the BMW 8 Series offers a blend of performance and luxury, and the Mercedes-Benz SL Class combines elegance with cutting-edge technology. In conclusion, the 2024 Chevrolet Corvette Convertible shines brightly in the luxury convertible segment. With its powerful performance, striking design, and advanced features, the Corvette offers an unparalleled driving experience. As Chevrolet continues to innovate and refine this iconic model, the 2024 Corvette Convertible remains a top choice for those seeking the ultimate in luxury and performance.